Hi guys, welcome to another interesting video, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to build an automated investment website. So on this platform you can be able to invest and then your profits will be automatic, right? So as soon as you invest and then the period of your investment expire, the total profits for your investment will automatically be accumulated, guys. So in this video I'll be leaving no stone unturned. I'm going to be showing you guys a step-by-step guide on how to build an investment website. So guys, kindly make sure you stick to this video from the beginning to the end, and if you're yet to subscribe, please make sure you kindly subscribe to this channel, like this video and share. And if you're meeting me for the first time, my name is Prince. I'm a full stack developer and also an app developer. I come right here and show you guys how to do the same. So right here we have the front end of this website. Right here we have not only reliable, only result oriented. Right here we have basic plan, standard plan, variety plan. We offer strong return, try independent investment solution for now, and expert investors. Right here we have investing can be great way to help grow your money. Right here we have the footer and explore links, contacts, and so on. Right here we have the about us, and basically the about us section tells more about the brand. Professional investment service. Right here we have this, and if you scroll down we have the bottom. So right here we have the FAQ, which is frequently asked question, and this is basically all these links makes the website looks really legit. So right here we have the frequently asked question, we have the terms and condition, we have the login and register. So without no further ado, we're just going to go ahead and then see how the registration page looks like. So basically this is how the registration page looks like, whereby you can be able to fill out certain fields to be able to start investment with this platform. So right here we have the username, enter full name, email, phone number, password, confirm password, selection tree, referral ID. So as soon as you create an account, right, an email will be sent to you confirming that an account has been created, right, and it's going to give you an OTP code which you're going to insert in order to continue further, right. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on login since I have an account already, and we do not have to make this video too long. So let's just go ahead and then sign into the account which I have created, right. So I'm just going to go ahead and then put in my email and my password and then click on sign in as a user. So guys, I've successfully been able to sign in to my dashboard, and it says welcome back T, right. Account balance $500, available for withdrawal, total profit $0.00, and we have return, we have $0.00, and then total deposit, total withdrawal, right. And right here we have market overview, active plan, buy a plan. So this is basically a new account which I created. So right here we have refer and earn, platform stats, and so on, right. And right here we have profile. This is basically where you can actually view your profile and so on. So right here we have deposit. This is basically an interface whereby you can actually make deposits, right. And right here we have select payments method, and then let's say for instance I'm going to select, it says minimum deposit, let's say bank transfer, right. Then I'm just going to click on deposit. It says success, you have chosen to pay with bank transfer, and then right here it says amount I want to deposit. So let's say $100, right, and then I'm just going to go ahead and then click on the next step, right. So right here I'm on the payments page, and it gave me an account details I can pay to, and as soon as I'm done I can upload the proof of payment and get started, right here we have the withdraw. This is basically where you can actually make withdrawal and so on. So I have to put in my password, because before I can make a withdrawal, then I'm just going to go ahead and click on confirm identity, and I'll be eligible to make withdrawal. So withdrawal are currently disabled, please check back later. And this is basically because on the admin dashboard you can actually turn on and then turn off withdrawal for users. So right here we have transactions, and this is basically an overview of the transactions I've done on this platform. As I said, literally the funds which I have as an available balance was funded by the admin, and I'm yet to have any active investment That is the reason why my profit is still using 0 but as soon as I have an active investment, boom, my profit count will change. So right here I have the trading plans. So this is basically where you can actually subscribe to a particular plan, right? So right here we have variety, we have standard, we have basic. So I'm actually going to be subscribing to a plan right here right now. So right here we have the standard, we have the basic plan, right? So let's say I'm going to take the basic plan, and it says duration 1 hour, return rates 50% every 30 minutes. So let's say I'm just going to invest let me invest let me just invest $250 since the plan is $200. Then I'm just going to click on confirm and invest now to be able to invest for this plan. So it says you have successfully purchased the plan and your plan is now active. So I'm just going to click on my plans to be able to see all my active plans. Right, and then right here it is basic plan $250 investment, start June 13, end date June 13. So guys, if you notice, right, I literally placed this plan at 625 and then I should be expecting my profit at what, 725, right? So I'm just going to click on view details to be able to see the details of my investment. So right here I have plan information, profit earned $0.00, total return $250, and so on. So this plan is currently in process, right? So right here we have the profit history, and this is basically an interface where you can see all your profit history, right? So I'm just going to scroll down, and right here we have referrals, and this is basically an opportunity for whoever is using the system to be able to like refer friends and also earn from referrals. So guys, this is basically how the user's dashboard looks like. So let's go ahead and see how the admin dashboard of this website looks like. I'm just going to go ahead and then visit the admin dashboard of this platform. So guys, this is basically an interface to be able to log into the admin, and right here we have the admin URL. I'm just going to go ahead and put in my email and password and then go ahead and click on sign in. So right here I'm logged into the admin dashboard, and right here we have total deposits 505, pending $200, total withdrawal 0.0, pending withdrawal, total user, investment plan we have 3. So right here we have investments, another investment, we have investment plans, and this basically show out like all investment plan that a subscriber can subscribe to, right? This was the plan we subscribed to, which is the 200 basic plan. And right here we have manage users, and basically on manage user you can be able to manage a user account. So let's say for instance I want to manage the account which we just like close. I'm just going to click on manage, right? And then right here we have take action. So it says login activities, block, turn off trades, credits or debit, reset password, clear account, add trading history, right? And then we have edit. So I'm just going to click, and we have sent email, add referral. So I'm just going to click on add trading history, and right here let's say I pick standard plan, then let's say $1,000. I'm just going to select maybe bonus or ROI and then add an history. So you can actually automatically add a trading history. I'm just going to go back, and then you can also send an email, like a message, right, to your user. So right here we have the email service, and basically this is where you can actually be able to like send email to all users and be able to manage them. So right here we have KYC application. This is an interface whereby you can manage all KYC applications for the site. Right here we have manage deposits, whereby you can actually manage all deposits. Right here we have manage withdrawals, where you can actually manage withdrawals. Right here we have manage accounts, we have trading accounts. So right here we also have trading settings. Basically this is an interface whereby you can actually set trades, right? And basically I'm just going to scroll down and then scroll. Right here we have task, we have create task, and you can click on create task and then create a task, right? And then users can be able to earn from the task. Right here we have leads, we have administrators, and this is literally where you can be able to add a manager. Right here we have settings, and this is basically an interface whereby you can actually set your payment settings, swap set, subscription settings, terms and conditions, referral and bonus settings. So I'm just going to click on app settings. Right here we have investment enable or disable, crypto swap enable or disable. Right here we have website information, and this is basically where you can actually set your website information, upload your website logo at the bottom. And right here we have email configuration, whereby you can actually set your email configurations and many more. So this is basically how the admin dashboard looks like. So the next thing we're going to do, which is the question on your mind, is right, enough of the whole explanation. How do I design a very catchy investment website just like this? As I promised earlier, I'll be leaving no stone unturned in this video. I'm going to be showing you guys a step-by-step guide on actually how to do this. So basically the first step you need to do is to have a domain and hosting, and basically a domain is the URL which people use to access your site, and an hosting is where you are uploading your files. So if you have all these, then you can follow up with this. But if you don't have, you can actually set up this hoster with your local host, right, which is like setting it up on your local device, that even if you don't have an internet access, you can actually visit your website. If you want me to create a video on this, you can actually let me know in the comment section, then I'll work on a video on how to set up a website on your PC without having to have an hosting or a domain. So guys, right here I'm logged into my cPanel. The first thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and then create a subdomain. I'm just going to search subdomain domains, then I'm just going to go ahead and click on create a new domain. Then I'm going to give this subdomain app, right, this is my domain.com, right. Then I'm just going to click on submit. So a subdomain has successfully been created, right. So the next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and then come over to my cPanel, and then go ahead and then locate my subdomain. I'll click on this file manager. Right, and right here we have my subdomain. So the next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and upload the script for this project. So guys, as you can see, the script has been uploaded successfully. I'm just going to come right here, and then I'm going to reload, right, and then I'm just going to click on this, right click, and then click on extract. So after extract, I'm going to click on extract file. So great, I'm just going to go ahead and then close. So guys, this is what we extracted, and I'm just going to scroll down, and right here we have every details we need, guys. So the next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and then create database for my project. So step 1, we uploaded our files and then extracted. Step 2, create database. So I'm just going to come over here and then search my SQL, right, database, right. I'm just going to go ahead and then give it a name called app, right. Then I'm just going to click on next step. Then I'll also give this app. So what I normally do is that once I create a database, I make sure I copy it somewhere so that I will not make mistake, because once your database is not correct, your application cannot even work. So I'll just, alright, then I'll go ahead and then paste password, right, and then confirm password again, right, and then click on create user. So this is step 2. So the step 3 is to go ahead and then upload your SQL file, right. So an SQL file always comes with the script, right. So it says user days has been created. So I'll just go ahead and go to PHP my admin, right, and then I'm going to hit enter. So I'm just going to show you guys what I'm saying, right. So if I scroll down, if you notice, there's .sql, right? This is the database for your project. You go ahead and then download on your PC. Then here we have the database which has loaded successfully. Then I'm just going to select this, right? And then I'm going to click on import, right? So at this point I want to import the database for my projects. So I'm just going to scroll down, right? And then I'm going to click on imports. So my database has been imported successfully, right? So I'm just going to scroll down to make sure everything is intact. So I think everything is intact. So I'm just going to head over to admins to be able to change my admin details. I'm going to click on edit. Then right here I have this. I normally like changing it to gmail.com. I'm going to scroll down, and right here we have password. I'm just going to click on this and then go ahead and select PHP hash info. Then I'm just going to change it to whatever I want to change it. I'll just give it maybe 1 2 3 4, right? Then I'm just going to scroll down and click on go. So my database admin details has been changed, right? So I'm just going to head over to this point and then locate the .env file, right? Then I'm just going to click on this, right click and click on edit. So I'm just going to click on edit again, and right here we have where we could insert our new database details. I'm just going to select and then paste, right? Select and then paste, and then also select this and then paste, right? So the next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and put in my app URL. Remember we created what we call app dot, right? Then we have .com, right? I'm just going to give this the same name, right? And then I'm going to go ahead and then click on save. So basically we are actually like 90% done. So the next thing we are going to do is to go ahead and then visit our website, go ahead and then change logos and so on. So what I'm just going to do right now is to go ahead and then visit the projects which I just designed in just a couple of steps, and after that you can go ahead and upload your logos and so on. So guys, to be able to access our website, so here we have our new website domain link. Then I'm going to hit enter, guys. So right here we have our website loading and our website successfully installed. So literally there's nothing different, and we have every details we need: children plan, investing and so on. So all this fixed plan and so on. So as we all know, by the time we use slash admin slash this, and then we are going to log into the admin, we can actually change the plans, right? So right here we have investment plans, so right here we have investment plans, right? You can come over here and then edit plan to be able to change the plan and give it whatever purpose you want to use it for, and give it a name, right? So the last thing we're going to do is to set our automatic profit and the rest. So what you need to do is to come over to your cPanel. So right in the document you'll find installation process and so on, right? So what you need to do is to set for automatic return of capital. You need to run this. So this is what you're going to copy, right? I've successfully copied it. So I'm just going to head over to my cPanel, right? And then right here I'm just going to search for cron, right? So here we have cron job. So I'm going to come over here, right? So the first thing I'm going to do is to select 1 per 5 minutes, right? Once per 5 minutes. And right here you come over to command, and then you go ahead and paste, and then go ahead and then add cron job. So what you need to do here is to just put your subdomain, right? And then after that you go ahead and then add a new, and then if I scroll down, the new one has been added, guys. So guys, this is basically how to build an automatic investment website, guys. If you know you want to get the script used in this video, kindly check the description of this video. You'll find a WhatsApp link and also a number you can reach out to. Go ahead and reach out to our customer support and request for the script. Our customer support are active 247 and they will definitely respond to you. As you can all tell, I left no stone unturned in this video. I showed you guys a step-by-step guide on how to build an automatic profit investment website. Why not give me my flowers? If you know you enjoyed this video, please make sure you smash the subscribe button, like this video and share so other people can benefit from this great video you just watched. Until I see you next time, keep grinding. See you guys in my next video. Bye for now.